And Sunil, thank you, really thank you for joining in today, because such an important day, because after a long time there seems to be panic coming in from a lot of quarters when people are messaging me as well about this. How are you thinking about the current landscape, Sunil?
Good morning, Neeraj, and good morning to all your viewers. So I think markets have been challenging. There's absolutely no doubt about it. And as you rightly said, particularly the last 3-4 days have been, very scary when you see the screen. The Nifty is not indicating the full thing. The Nifty goes down by 1%, but the broader markets are down like on an index level 3%, on stock specific levels 8, 10, 15%. The breadth yesterday was maybe 95 to 1. Today it is even worse. And obviously it's been a combination of a lot of things. It obviously started with valuations, growth being a little bit small, slower, and so on and so forth. However, it's got a little bit amplified due to news flow which is coming, statements which are being made internationally related to tariffs and so on and so forth. Domestically, some statements have definitely caused some panic over the last 3-4 days. I think our view is that valuations were stretched. They have come off, quite a bit, but even now, you don't have like hundreds of companies which you can go jump and buy. There is enough in terms of fair valuation, but it's not like completely cheap. Having said that, I think December numbers have been slightly better than September, and at least the indications for the current quarter, both on the economy side as well as corporate growth, seems to be, a little bit of reassuring. So in this kind of a scenario, as has been our experience in the past, it is best to just stay put, don't do anything, don't get swayed by short-term bounces and go overboard, don't get scared by what is happening and sell at the wrong time. I think it is best to leave the markets on its own for the next maybe 6-7 days. Take a very measured and patient view and move forward. However, having said that, I think the indications which are coming from yesterday and today, and at least as far as my experience is concerned, of seeing these kind of markets, I'm starting to get a feeling that capitulation is very close, and this will, at least slow down or end pretty fast.
Okay. When Sunil Singhania says this, you got to listen. And Sunil, thank you for making that point. That's one key headline for me. I'm not going to take too much of your time, but